So we're in a vineyard where we're managing it with organic principles in mind. And that essentially means we don't use any pesticides, herbicides, anything that's not natural. The sulfur and the copper are the two elements that we can use to protect the vines against, or the vine tissue against, diseases. One of the management tools that we're using is this, it's a biodynamic mix. Peas and beans, you can see the fruits there, and we're choosing plants that have a long taproot. We get all of this beautiful foliage that then disintegrates and nourishes the soil. But a key factor is the root of these plants. They die, but they leave the hole where they penetrated, which then allows the roots of the vine to burrow into and get down deep.